Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of Andhra Pradesh, and the examination conducted for this speed was in the month of September 2023, and this is 80 words per minute speed. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to speak on this occasion. First of all, I want to point out that it has been agreed by all that self-sufficiency in food is the most important thing in this country as far as we are concerned. This has been felt by the government as well as the people of this country. I think you will agree that this has been given due importance in our plan. I am glad that the necessary schemes in this regard have been drawn up. But the question that we have to consider is whether they will be implemented. So far as I am concerned, I hope and trust that with the cooperation of all the people, the government will be able to implement them in course of time. In this connection, I would like to point out that in the past there was a failure not in the matter of having schemes but in the matter of execution. I do not want to go into the details of the plans. It has been said by an honorable member that a government which cannot give food to the people should not be there. I agree with him in this regard to some extent. But at the same time, I would like to ask whether since independence there has been no increase in food production in this country. As a matter of fact, we have been able to increase food production very much. There is no doubt that this is an achievement of which the government may be proud. We are aware that in the last 2 or 3 years there was a drought. We know that the government has no control over it. As a result of drought, there was some difficulty. In these circumstances, I think it is not fair to create more difficulties. This is a matter which the House and the country will have to consider. Taking into consideration all the difficulties which were there during the last year, I would like to say that the Honorable Minister has been taking all necessary steps to deal with the situation. As we know, the Honorable Minister has announced the policy about rice. I do not want to criticize it or go into its merits, but I want to make it clear that there is no proper planning. My dear friend, I have received your letter with much pleasure and happiness, and also noted the spirit of letter. You have asked me to suggest to you in detail about a particular subject, namely about the human relations. My little knowledge may not be able to make you very clear about it, but I will try my best to explain to you as far as I know about it. Basically, the human relations mean the relationship between a person and another person, whether a person is a man or a woman. The basic and main truth behind the human relationship is that it is the only binding force between man and man. But in the present day world, you will find man fighting with another man for acquiring wealth or power. This type of thinking will take him to any level. I present myself very clearly on this subject further in my next letter. With best wishes, yours sincerely,